We're now going to be concentrating on adding an important feature called pagination to our blog page. At the moment, we only have 3 individual blog posts, actually 4 with the sample one, but if we had hundreds of blog posts, this page would get really long. Pagination allows us to split the post up into separate pages. We can then click on some previous and next buttons to cycle through all of our posts. Over in the index.php from our Bootstrap template, we already have our links for next page and previous page. So we're going to do 2 things in this video. We're first going to replace our previous and next page text with some WordPress functions to provide the functionality for this to work. And we're also going to remove this outside of the loop. So in the else section, we only have the text down at the bottom. Therefore, let's begin by cutting out our nav section with our unordered list and also the closing div at the bottom. So cut this out of place. And then this is going to go just after the end if section, which is the end of our loop. So down here, we can paste this in and just indent this back. Okay, let's start with the next page. We're going to replace this text with a PHP function. So open up PHP. And then we're going to use the WordPress function called next posts with an S and then link, semicolon at the end. Then we're going to replace the previous page with a very similar WordPress function, and this will be previous posts link. Separated by the underscores, semicolon at the end, and then close off the PHP. Save this file and then over to the browser. Let's reload the page. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom, we still see our blog posts, but we don't see our buttons for the previous and next page. This is because we don't have enough blog posts to actually create the pagination. So we can go over to the dashboard, then go down to settings. In the reading section, we need to look out for the blog pages show at most. And we have this set to be 10 posts. So we won't create a new page until we have 10 or more posts. So to see this in action, let's reduce this down to 5. Save the changes. Now we can go ahead and create some new blog posts. I have 1, 2, 3. Let's create number 4. Copy the sample text. Paste this in. And we can add some tags into here. Publish this one. Blog post 5. Some sample text. And let's go for one more. We'll do number 6. Blog post 6. Paste this in and publish. Now we can check out our site by visiting the blog page. So we have number 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. So that's 5 blog posts on there. And now we have the next page link. If we click on this, we have the blog post 1 and also our Hello World example. We can also click on previous to go back. This will stop our blog page from getting really long when we have lots of individual posts. This is how we can add pagination to our theme. And next we'll take a look at using filter hooks.